I've used a text-to-speech in this video because got very bad flu. Just a quick video on the legendary 2n3904 transistor. I've used them for over 20 years, and did you know they have been around for an astonishing 60 years? It was designed by Motorola in the 1960s. The 2n3904 transistor has been in production for 60 years and is still sold in the millions worldwide every year. It's so reliable it's even been used in space. The 2n3904 is a widely used NPN bipolar junction transistor designed for general-purpose low-power amplification and switching applications. One interesting fact about the 2n3904 transistor is that despite being introduced in 1966, it remains one of the most commonly used low-power transistors in modern electronics. Its design has not changed, yet it continues to be a go-to component for engineers, hobbyists, and students alike. The 2n3904 has legendary status among electronics enthusiasts, engineers, and even students. It's a Hello World component for electronics. Just like Hello World is often the first program in coding, the 2n3904 is one of the first transistors that beginners learn to use. It's cheap, widely available, and forgiving for experimentation, making it perfect for learning about transistor switching, amplification, and biasing. The 2n3904 was introduced in 1966 by Motorola, and despite the rapid evolution of electronics, it has never been discontinued. That's rare for a semiconductor. Today, multiple manufacturers like ON Semiconductor, Fairchild, STMicroelectronics, Diatec Semiconductor still produce it today after 60 years. Medical engineers in the 1970s and 1980s used the 2n3904 in early pacemaker circuits because of its low power consumption and reliable switching characteristics. Modern pacemakers use advanced ICs, but transistors like the 2n3904 played an important role in early designs. It's used in everything from toys to satellites. Found in early walkie-talkies and radios. Used in scientific experiments for circuit prototyping. Can be found in RC toys, small amplifiers, and LED circuits. Versions of the 2n3904 have even been used in satellites and space missions, proving its reliability. Wow! While not specifically designed for harsh environments, variations of the 2n3904 have made their way into spacecraft and satellites. The 2n3904 transistor has been used in various space applications, particularly in low-power circuits, research payloads, and educational satellites. While it was not specifically designed for space use, engineers have incorporated it into non-critical systems due to its reliability. It can be overclocked. Normally, the 2n3904 operates up to 250 MHz. But some enthusiasts have pushed it beyond its limits. In hobby projects, people have used it to build microwave oscillators and even tiny Tesla coils that produce small sparks. It's used to generate white noise. If you configure a 2n3904 in reverse breakdown mode, it produces electrical noise. This property makes it useful in random number generators and radio frequency, RF, noise sources. The 2n3906 is the PNP counterpart of the 2n3904. They are often used together in push-pull amplifier circuits, allowing more efficient signal amplification. Despite the rise of MOSFETs and integrated circuits, the 2n3904 remains one of the most enduring and versatile transistors ever made. Another cool thing? The 2n3904 is widely used in DIY Tesla coils and high-frequency circuits, even though it was originally intended for small signal applications. Some enthusiasts have managed to push it beyond its normal specifications to generate tiny sparks and high-frequency oscillations. The 2n3904 comes in A292, SOT23 and SOT223 packages. It has remained a staple in electronics for 6 decades, making it one of the most widely used transistors of all time, and it's still selling well today. Just think next time you use a 2n3904 transistor how long it's been in existence. The legendary 2n3904 transistor.